We are back in the shop working on the 68 K10 Chevy pickup. We are back out here at Jeff's Auto Body and Customs in Sweet Valley, PA, working on the 68 Chevy K10 pickup truck that we've been having on the channel. I could not, this past summer, we put this on pause for a little bit because we were out doing a lot of shows, so I have not shown much video content on this, so I apologize for that. But Jeff has, AKA the legend, has been plugging away at this. We do have it all painted up now, so if you are following this build, you noticed in the last video we were installing the bed and putting the new bed together, which we ended up going with the new floor. So being that the show season came in and we took the second gen Ram out and did a little some shows with that truck, and I was taking you guys out to shows, so the guys were here working on that, so they were getting things done, and we almost had it ready to go. I think it was back in July to Bloomsburg as a reveal, but we just didn't get to where we needed it to be done. It wasn't test driven or anything like that, so we did have it driving around the lot here, and there was some issues we really needed to tend to, so we could not get it out to any shows this past year or anything like that, or do a reveal on this. But here's what it's looking like now, which I'll go over and show you guys a little bit what it looks like now, like a little update video, because I do have a bunch of video clips over the summer that I just did not share with you guys because we were trying to get stuff together and things like that. So let me run those video clips for you guys on the different things that we did on the truck and things like that, so that way you guys are caught up with that. And if you're new to the channel, hit that like, comment, and subscribe button. Ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted on the next video we do on this, which is going to be a start to finish video of this build. So you guys don't want to miss that. And check out the other start to finish build, which I did, I believe, on the second gen Ram. And if you guys are new, here's the second gen Ram that we have attached to the channel. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yes, we do have a picture here out at the shop, which I failed to sign it for the legend, which I think I just might sign it for him when he's not here in the shop. So, but let me run some video clips of you guys, what we did do to the truck since the last video, because I'll just put them together and give you guys a little clue. Then we'll come back here and do a little walk around, and I'll explain to you some of the problems that we had on this when we were taking it for a little test ride around the lot. So I hope you guys like the video.
Keep that running until it gets warmed up a little bit. They're cold blooded.
It might be the ground,
This one.
where the ground is connecting to the frame.
Hang on. Leads us up to the point to where we are at now in this video, to where I'm going to go over some of the things and give you guys a little bit better look at what the 68 K10 pickup truck is looking like. Here's the side of it. As you can see, we got Dr. Feelgood and the Legend working on the new steering column, or steering wheel, because here's the issue we had. We had this steering wheel on there, but every time we hit a bump, the horn would go off. So now we're just going with the more stock steering wheel on that, and then to clean that problem up. And then we are also working on finishing up the exhaust here. We do have straight pipes on this, so we are going to finish up the exhaust on there. And then another issue that we had with this was the brake booster. We did have a new brake booster on there, but it was the wrong one, and the rod was a little bit different in there. So now we got the brake booster all straightened out. So we had to swap out the brake booster, which we would have brakes and then we wouldn't have brakes, and here the rod in there, the push rod, was just not long enough for it to go in. And then pretty much, well, that's it. But this is what we're looking like right now. It is all painted up. We just got to finish putting the mirrors on, which the Legend took the mirrors off, so that way he could buff it out, but it's all sanded and buffed out. And then we are going to clean the wheels. So we also did put the Nerf bars on there just to give it a little bit more step, so this way we're keeping our feet away from the rocker panels. And Dr. Feelgood came up with this idea to put some mud flaps on here, which they are custom made mud flaps, and they go back to the frame, front and rear on here. And this way we have no mud flaps coming off the body panel, which these could be taken on and off, as you can see over in there. And we got the mud flaps back here, which this one runs all the way across the back, and this way all we have to do is unbolt it, pull it out, and take this off if we choose to take the mud flaps off. And then we did put the Raptor liner into the bed, and which we are going to do. The tailgate is also going to get done. And those guys are just, like I said, working on the steering wheel, because every time we hit a bump, the horn would go off. And we knew when we were putting on the aftermarket steering wheel that something just wasn't right. It didn't seem to want to fit right. And when you're trying to pair up all this stuff with the old with the new, and things change over the years, well, it's just not working out. But we did end up going with the new aftermarket steering wheel, which these guys are working on to put in. So that's pretty much what the 68 K10 pickup truck is looking like now. And we are going to plan on bringing this truck to the Bloomsburg four-wheel drive jamboree this year in July of 2024. So we're going to try and get this down there, so definitely stop by, check us out there. So we're going to have that as a showing down at that show. And like I said, hit that subscribe button, and so this way you guys could see the progress that we started with this, because like I said, I do have some of the video clips from start to finish on this, different clips I'm going to throw together like I did in that other video. Well guys, I hope you liked this video, and this is just a quick little update and get you guys caught up on this build. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Smash that subscribe button, ring that notification bell so you guys can stay posted when we get this video done. But we got Dr. Feelgood Rich, Dr. Feelgood. And we got the legend in the cab. Driving trucks and hunting bucks is how we roll it. Rick and Fabz.